tanked 60%, had to lay off a bunch of people, thought I would have to give a bunch of the money back. It was a grueling time for me as an entrepreneur, but in hindsight, it was the best thing that happened to us as a business because it forced us to refound the company from scratch. So it was really this forcing function to say, hey, let's stop paying attention to this one small market and in earnest work towards this vision of being the dominant banking platform for all kinds of entrepreneurs in this generation. And I hope I get to meet Kanye one day and that I get to say thank you for helping me refound my company.